Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make question paper on Google Forms and give the marks immediately in Google Forms. So let's start. For this, at first you have to go to Chrome. After going to Chrome, this type of window will appear. Wait. You have to search google.com. Okay, now here you have to, after going to Chrome, you have to tap on here. Okay, after tapping on here, you will have to scroll and click this forms icon, this forms. Okay, after clicking on forms, now you go to new window. So suppose at first I am want to give one name. Okay, so let me give name. So class. Okay, with name and class will give it short answer. Okay, so now I'll click now three dots here. Clicking on these dots, I will have to go to this settings. Okay, after going to settings, you have to click this collect emails. Okay, if you want to collect emails, then you have to go to this presentation. You have to off this, so link to submit another response, you have to off this. Now you have to go to this quizzes, then you have to on this, make this a quiz, you have to on this. Now after owning it, you have to click on save. Now after clicking on save, you have to click these two boxes here. Okay, after clicking on this, you have to click this icon, then you have to click go to section 2 in another section. Now then you have to click this icon. After clicking on this icon, you can uh, give question. Okay, suppose I want but I'll give, suppose I want to give I want to give question plants having breathing roots. Okay, now you have to give the option. Okay, suppose I want to give a mangrove at first. Okay, now you have to give this, you can give now pine. Okay, pine. Okay, now can give bubble. Okay, bubble. You can give carrot. Okay, carrot. So now then you have to click on this. After clicking on this, you have to select points. If you want one, then you have to give one. If you need two, then you have to two. Okay, this way, so on. Now suppose I want to give this point 1 and I want to take the correct answer mangrove. Okay, then I have to click on done. Okay, now if you want to add more questions, then you can once again click on this. Okay, so then I want only one question, so I will finish here. Now I have to click on uh, this icon. Okay, after clicking on this icon, you have to click this, then you have to click copy. Okay, now suppose you want to uh, send it to WhatsApp, so you have to, suppose I want to send in this number. Okay, then I have to paste this link and send. So now after sending, I have already completed, so let us check it is happening or not. So for this we have to click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will find this type of window, email, name and class. You have to give your email, this name, suppose I want Ritik. Okay, post class I want for now next. Okay, next you have to click mangrove. You can it because it is correct answer, and suppose I am selecting this mangrove is correct answer. Then I am clicking on submit. After clicking on submit, you will find this type of window appeared. Then you can click on view score. Then it is showing that total points 1 of 1, and you gave it notification. Okay, this way. Okay, so viewers, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. So viewers, bye for today.